Hi, my name is Melissa Davidson. I'm an attorney with Hankey Marks Crider, and I'm here today to talk to you about VA-connected disability benefits and what to do when you might need more evidence to prove your case. Sometimes the best evidence that you can gather are buddy statements from friends, family, people that you might have served with, and sometimes even folks that you didn't serve with. So let's start with the first. A lot of times, proving your disabilities can be helpful with statements from friends and family. For instance, with sleep apnea, you might not realize how much you're up at night, but your spouse does. And so having them fill out the buddy statement form for VA can be very helpful in documenting the severity of your condition and how it interferes with your function. It's important to use the VA form. If your friend or buddy is not using the VA form, that statement will need to be notarized for the VA to give it any weight. So I do encourage you to use the form or a notary. I also encourage you to use an attorney in doing buddy statements because attorneys are very good at putting together the types of words and impact that is needed in order to convince the VA to understand the impact of the condition that you're having. Buddy statements are also great for helping prove that the veteran was in fact injured in service. Sometimes veterans go through service with injuries or ailments that they don't necessarily complain of to the medical facility. And so the buddy statement can help show that they did in fact complain about those things to other people in service, even though it wasn't worthy of seeing the doctor. It also can help prove that they were in certain situations that the VA may not have record of. VA is notorious for losing records, and this is a good way to show that you were, in fact, in a situation that caused some harm. Lastly, the buddy statement is not technically a buddy statement, but evidence from other claims or other people who may have been where you were during service can also be helpful. And these take a lot of research, finding other folks that were, for instance, in Korea at the same time you may have been in Korea. You weren't in the same unit, you didn't know you were both there at the same time, but sometimes statements from other folks that were serving at that same time and place can be helpful in proving what was going on with you. And so I would encourage you to reach out to attorneys to help with that research and pull together all the evidence possible to assist with your claim.